Hey signers, things might look a little different this week, but that's because we're at Disney. But these signs aren't just about Disney. They can be for any theme park. As we make our way around the parks, we're going to teach you signs. So let's learn how to sign theme park signs at Disney. Theme park or amusement park. Think of a Ferris wheel. Theme park or amusement park. Roller coaster. Roller coaster. Your hand looks like it's riding a roller coaster. Roller coaster. Parade. Parade. You have 4 fingers and they're marching in a parade. Parade. Train. Train. You have 2 U-shaped hands. Stack them just like this with the dominant on top and move it back and forth. Train. Boat. Boat. Your hands are like this, touching them together and bouncing it like a boat. Boat. Hotel. Hotel. You have your non-dominant hand as an index finger and your dominant as an H, back and forth. Hotel. Bus. Bus. It's B-U-S, finger spelled. Bus. Restaurant. Restaurant. It's an R coming on either side of your mouth, like a napkin. Restaurant. Store. Store. You have flat O hands that flick twice. Store. Show, as in performance. You have A-shaped hands moving them in a circular motion in towards yourself. Show, like as in performance. Line. Line. You have 4 fingers on each hand. Line them up like a people in the line. Line. Wait. Wait. Your fingers wiggle just a little bit. Wait. Restroom or bathroom. RR for restroom, or a shaking T for a toilet, a bathroom. Restroom, bathroom. Entrance. Entrance. Your dominant hand is entering into the space. Entrance. Exit. Exit. You just fingerspell exit. Exit. Popcorn. Popcorn. You have your index fingers flicking them up like the popcorn is popping. Popcorn. Ice cream. Ice cream. It's like you're licking an ice cream cone. Ice cream. Candy. Candy. It's an index finger that twists right at your cheek. Think of when you eat candy, you might get a cavity and have to go to the dentist. Candy. Hot dog. Hot dog. You're making a hot dog. Hot dog. French fry. French fry. It's F. French fry. Hamburger. Hamburger. You're making the hamburger patty. Hamburger. Soda, pop, or Coke. Your middle finger moves down a little bit and then pops. Soda, pop, or Coke. character, character. Your non-dominant hand is flat with your dominant as a twisting C. Character. Fireworks. Fireworks. You have flat O hands bursting into fireworks. Fireworks. We're so sad our vacation has come to an end, and so is this video. Now, it's time to get back to work. If you loved learning sign language, then check out our 10-day Jumpstart, link in the description. And until next time, keep learning how to sign. It's the coolest thing ever.